iOS 16 will reportedly get some major upgrades to both the health app and how iPhones handle notifications. This is according to Mark Gurman of Bloomberg. iOS 16 will likely share many of its top features with other Apple OS devices, as was the case with iOS 15. Take Live Text, which allows you to select text in images, and SharePlay, which allows users to co-watch a show or movie remotely. Both of these features are just as much Apple features as they are iPhone features. He's also teased new Apple apps for iOS 16 in a follow-up report. Here is a roundup of potential iOS 16 features. If you're hoping for big changes for iOS 16, Apple's next software update for iPhones, the rumors surrounding Apple's WWDC 2022 plans indicate that you may be in luck. It's your bet that we are going to get a preview of iOS 16, the next major update to the iPhone software that's coming later this year. This update should do more than just a few tweaks here and there. Apple observers are expecting some significant changes to the iOS software that include everything from enhanced in existing features to new apps and capabilities altogether. iOS 16 should look much the same as iOS 15. According to rumors ahead of today's WWDC 2022 keynotes, but some big additions could be coming to your iPhone this fall when the full version of iOS 16 is expected to be released. We will know all the iOS 16 features by the end of WWDC 2022 keynote, which gets underway at 1 p.m. ET 10 a.m. PT on June 6. For now, let's concentrate on the expected iOS 16 features. iOS 16 lock screen is fairly plain, featuring just the time and date as well as any notification that comes through. It seems fine-tuning notifications is now an annual tradition with Apple's iOS update. iOS 12 grouped notification by app and gave you ability to silence particularly obstructive apps. iOS 14 shrunk the size, and iOS 16 rumors suggest Apple isn't done making changes to how you manage notifications, so what's left to change after the preceding overhauls? Bluntly, if you ask my colleague Jordan Palmer, who would like to see a wide range of action attached to notification in iOS 16, deleting emails, marking things as read and the like. Apple could also improve the way it groups in notification and how you clear them. Those all sound like fine changes to me. Apple loves to devote. In addition to iOS 16, Apple's likely to preview watchOS 9 at WWDC, so we can expect to find many ways that your phone and smartwatch can work together to track health stats and exercise, and perhaps even alert you to early warning signs you might want to ask a doctor about. Health isn't the only app being tipped for a refresh. Messages is also rumored to be gaining new features. Hardly a surprise since it's one of the most used built-in apps in the iPhone. Past iOS updates have plenty of attention to messages, so it's unlikely that iOS 16 is going to ignore it. It's no secret that Apple is interested in mixed reality, reportedly to the point that it's developing an Apple AR/VR headset for 2023 along with a reality OS to run on the device. An earlier report on iOS 16 had Germans suggesting fresh Apple apps are coming to iOS 16. There has been no subsequent hints about what those apps could possibly be, though I was happy to make some new iOS 16 app suggestions, such as dedicated app for managing subscription and a recipe organizer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.